Hey everyone! Today we're making the easiest and most delicious milk and chocolate cake ever. It's super soft, moist, and perfect for any time you're craving something sweet. So, let's get started. First, we're adding the butter to our bowl. Make sure it's at room temperature so it mixes easily. Now I'm adding the sugar to the bowl with the butter. This will make our cake perfectly sweet. Now, I'm mixing the butter and sugar together with a mixer. Start on a low speed, then gradually increase to medium. We want the mixture to become light, fluffy, and a bit creamy. This will help our cake turn out soft and airy. Once the butter and sugar are well combined, we're adding the vanilla extract. This will give our cake a lovely, sweet aroma. Next, we're adding the eggs one at a time. Start with the first egg and mix it in well before adding the next one. This helps the batter stay smooth and prevents it from curdling. Now I'm adding the second egg. Third egg. Now I'm adding the fourth egg. Mix it in well until the batter is smooth and creamy again. This keeps our cake light and fluffy. Once everything is well combined, scrape down the sides of the bowl with a spatula. Then mix everything again until the batter is completely smooth and even. Now that all the ingredients are well combined, we're adding the yogurt. The yogurt adds moisture and a little tanginess, making our cake super soft and flavorful. Mix it gently until it's fully incorporated. Now we're gently adding the flour and baking powder to our batter. Add it in small portions. Don't stir too fast or too much because we want to keep all the air we've incorporated so far. This trapped air is what makes the cake rise beautifully and stay soft. Fold until just combined. It's okay if a few streaks of flour remain. They will disappear as the cake bakes. Now we're transferring half of our batter into another bowl. Now we're adding the cocoa powder to our batter. Cocoa powder gives our cake that rich chocolate flavor and deep color we all love. Fold it in gently so it blends evenly without losing the fluffy texture of the batter. Now, our chocolate batter is ready. It's smooth, rich, and full of chocolatey goodness. Perfect for pouring into our cake pan. Now we're bringing our baking pan and spraying it with some cooking spray. This helps prevent the cake from sticking and makes it much easier to remove after baking. First, we're pouring our milk batter into the prepared baking pan. spread it evenly so it forms a smooth layer. This will be the base for our chocolate batter. Now we're pouring our chocolate batter over the milk layer and spreading it evenly. Make sure it covers the whole surface so every bite will be perfectly chocolatey. Now we're adding another layer of the milk batter on top. Finally, we're adding the chocolate batter as the last layer and spreading it evenly on top. Make sure it covers the entire surface so our cake has a beautiful chocolate topping and every bite is rich and delicious. Now we're baking our cake in the oven at 170 degrees for 45 minutes. And there you have it, our easy, soft, and super moist milk and chocolate cake. Perfect for any occasion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a sweet treat. See you in the next video.